Hi, in the last lecture, we learned what are HTML entities and how to use them in HTML. Now, in this lecture, we talk about what are videos and audios in HTML, how to use them, and what are their uses. So first, I get rid of these codes in the previous lecture, save it and refresh. Now, for video, first we have a video file. So for this, I go to browser and write here sample video or sample video. So first website file example download. I click on it. You can use any videos. I just showed you how to use them. So for this, I choose a MP4 file because these type of files are very handy and almost run in every browser. So I go to here and file size, I simply choose it down sample MP4 files and it preview this. Okay, download it. So our file is download. Now we use a second type of file, that is audio file. So I write here sample audio and go to same website, and here if I scroll down, so you can see here what type of file you want. I file mp3, so click on it, and what size I want, I use 700 kb because light weights are very best. So I simply click on download. So now our files are downloaded. So first I go to my download section, and here our two files. I simply select them and cut them here and go to our main folder where I code it. So paste it here. Now I change the file because these are very big file name. So audio file, I write here audio.mp3, and for video I simply write here video.mp4. Now our two files video.mp4 and audio.mp3 is here. So now we go to our browser and write our code. So I go to browser, and here first I write a video tag. Video tag is used for embed video. So I write here video, and in video I write here attributes. So first I write here width almost 300 pixels, video, and height almost 200 pixels. And now another attribute that used for controls. Controls is very useful because these controls select them, pause them, next, previous, or handle these control tags. So in video tags I write here source, that our file source. So I write here source src, I write here video dot mp4 video.mp4, and type is must because this tell the browser what type of this. I write here video slash mp4, this is our file type. So if I save it and now I refresh, so you can see here our video is now embedded here, and you simply start on run them, sound, bigger screen, or use them playback picture in picture, and these. If I remove these controls, so you see here, if I save it and refresh, now you see nothing is here for our run, and no video is showing any progress because control is very important. So I write here controls and again refresh it, so you see here now our controls are displayed. So this is for video. Now we use our audio tag. For audio, we read a simple audio, and here in open tag, I write controls, because controls are very necessary. These width and height are not necessary in audio because we do not display any screen width or height. So this is control attribute. Now in audio tag we write a source, and in source I write a audios.mp3. This is our file name, and in type I write here audio slash mpeg or mp3. These are both used for audio. So now our audio is here. If I click on it, you can hear, see. So these are two tags that are most important in HTML5, and HTML5 supports them. In HTML4 and many earlier HTML versions, there is no audio and video concepts. Now in HTML5, these are used. So here we end this lecture. Please like the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.